I was breaking the bank tonight, struck by lightning. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Whittick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now behind me we have the Audi TT and I'm really excited to get cracking on that thing. I don't know where today's going to lead us, but I know one thing's for sure. These Audi TT BBS RSs that are usually on the tilted TDR are completely grimy. These wheels have basically spent their entire life with me inside of a garage, never getting weathered by the elements, and I would literally never ever polish them. Now, these wheels do sit outside very often, basically every day for the past basically about 2 months, and as you guys can see, they're super pitted, and I don't know if you guys can hear that, but these wheels are absolutely destroyed. They're completely covered in road salt, grime, everything that you can kind of name, it's on there, and these wheels are looking horrible. So I definitely want to go ahead and clean those up, make them look much better, and it would make me feel better about the car. Now, I am looking for a different set of wheels for this car, whether it is another set of BBS RSs or some other type of wheels. My options are kind of endless. I do want to get these wheels back on the TDI this week. I'm supposed to be going to MK Tommy's shop to get those wheels repaired, welded up so they can hold a lot of air. So then we can be rolling down the road, stunting on the wheels and looking awesome. Hopefully they don't crack again, but I guess that's just the way of the road. So we're gonna have to find out the hard way. So we're gonna go ahead, check out what these wheels look like with all the polish on there, and basically we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison. I'm gonna start off with a little spot so I can show you guys how you kind of do it without hand tools. I'm gonna do this entire wheel with just, microfiber cloth and the white diamond polish from Walmart, $15. I've had the same bottle for about 3 show seasons, and I guess the reason it's lasted me so long is because 2018 I never even went to a single car show and I didn't even put the wheels on my car, so I guess two show seasons. But anyway, guys, we're gonna be doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed, hit that post notification bell, follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and when you're done with all those steps, comment done down below. And if you've already done all those steps, you guys are awesome, and if you enjoy the content, please throw it a like. Let's get this out to more people, and if you think one of your friends might enjoy, definitely share it to your friends, and let's just grow this family. I'm super hyped, so let's dig right into this, and let's start the day. Can't wait to see these wheels shine back up. I've got myself my little seat right here so we can get nice, planted, and kind of even with the wheels. I didn't film the last 2 days because the weather's been horrible, and as you guys can see, I'm out here in a t-shirt today. It is absolutely beautiful and sunny, and yesterday we got, I would say about 1 inch of snow collectively, but it didn't stick because the ground's been warm. It was 33 degrees outside yesterday, snowing, and some local spots that had maybe a colder ground had about 2 inches of snow on them, and the weather is crazy here in New Jersey. As you guys can see, the fender is eating up this tire, which we do not like. We need to get camber on this car fairly soon. I didn't want to do the whole camber thing until I figured out what specs I was going with wheels, because you can't just dive into something just yet. But anyway, ordering coilovers is going to take a couple weeks for this car, so we're going to have to wait for that. But there's so many other things we could do on this car in the meantime, so I'm not worried. But like I showed you guys, these wheels are completely oxidized. They look horrible, honestly. But I just want to hit this one spot right here, and we'll see just what you can do with your hands and get that back to that mirror finish, and then we'll work our way all the way around. And I'm not going to go too heavy on all of the rivets right here, but as you guys know, the rivets are really hard to do by hand, really. So I'm going to do my best, but we're going to get these wheels looking brand new, and I'm really excited to get this oxidation off, so let's get right to it. So as you guys can see, you don't really need any special tools. I just got in there real quick, and you can see the difference right there. That's basically just a straight mirror, and right there all the way around, it's just straight oxidation. Now from a distance, you take pictures and stuff like that, your wheels will look fine. I mean, all you car guys who polish wheels and stuff like that, you do know that if you're going to be going to take some pictures with your car, you want to polish up your wheels. But if you don't, honestly, the camera might not pick up on it completely in detail, and everyone will be like, oh my god, your wheels look so good, and you'll be like, oh yeah, they look so good, A1. But honestly, they will look crusty in person. So I went from that to that right there with a few swift movements of the hand, which is just completely crazy. And I mean, any real wheel polish will do the same exact thing, but white diamond basically has like a sealer in there and stuff like that. And I just like the product, I've always used it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna work that wheel a little more, and let's hit it. So you can see the difference here. When I spent a lot of time when I first did it on this one little spot, I really worked it in there for a good minute or two, and I let it sit kind of, and I moved kind of slow. Where over here I move kind of fast paced, and over here I move kind of fast paced, and it's not as shiny as right there. Right there is the real money winner. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the rest of this wheel looking pretty good, and I'm gonna try to get inside of the rivets. And the rivets are the worst part. Usually you do want a polishing cone, but when I was polishing my engine mounts and stuff like that, I destroyed the cone. So that's why I have nothing, and I gotta just go out or just order a new cone. But these wheels are actually polishing up pretty nice by hand, so I'm not even gonna bother worrying about the cone right now, because these wheels are buff out with the hand right now and just may not be able to get the rivets as well. Plus the rivets eat it up anyway. When the wheel's going around, it just smacks. But it's a pretty dirty job. And yeah, this wheel's starting to look way better and it's polishing out really well. So let's go ahead and let's finish this wheel up. So my camera cut out when I did around the rivets, but after I did around the rivets, I went ahead and I took the cleanest part of my cloth, ran it around the wheel, and I just tried to get off the haze. Now you're still gonna see a haze around the wheel because there's always gonna be, like on the top there, I didn't get it as good, but there's always gonna be a hazy film that's gonna dry up afterwards, and you have to go around and wipe that off. It's like doing quick detailer. If you don't wipe the quick detailer off fully, it'll just haze over, or like doing spray and wax, all that fun stuff. But usually at this time, I would go ahead and I would go for round 2. But I'm actually pretty satisfied with this wheel, and I have to do the back wheel as well. All I really care about is that they don't have that oxidation on them, and this wheel doesn't have that oxidation anymore. It doesn't look like a mirror, but it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna head on over to the back wheel now. I got my hands all clean. I don't know why, but I guess I ran upstairs. I picked my mom some Mother's Day flowers from around the house and put them in a vase and stuff, so I had to clean up my hands during that little intermission. But here we are now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the back wheel so those are matching. I just want to get them looking good so we can put them on the Tilted TDI in a couple days. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe a few days after that. I don't really know when Tommy's gonna be back at his work, but we'll be able to get those wheels repaired very shortly, and I'm super excited to put these wheels back onto the Tilted TDI. It's gonna look awesome, and yeah, the TT is looking sick. Make sure you guys throw down in the comments what kind of mods you want to see go on this thing. Not just camber related, but even exterior stuff. Like if you guys want to see something, certain type of lip. I'm new to the whole TT thing, and I haven't really seen too many lips for these cars. So just let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna continue on the back wheel. Before we go ahead and we polish up this back wheel, I definitely wanted to show you guys what it's looking like before we get into it. Really, it's just full of oxidation. I'm just gonna run through this whole thing real quick. I'm not gonna do my my very best capabilities on there. I'm just gonna be like, oh, I'm happy with that, and run through it. And we're gonna get that wheel looking really good. So let's go ahead and let's hit it. Well, I polished that back wheel all up. I didn't do an amazing job. I was gonna go for round 2, but it actually is Mother's Day, so I have to have Mother's Day dinner, and I feel like by the time I come outside, guys, it's gonna be really like dark outside. Not dark, but it's not gonna be as bright outside anymore for you guys to see good quality lighting from me polishing this wheel. So this wheel actually came out really good still. It's nothing that I would be upset with. I would still roll to a show, roll to a meet like that, and I'm pretty happy with it. So if I was to take a picture like this right now, as you guys can see, it just came out absolutely amazing. I mean, like seriously, would you just look at it? But it came out so freaking good, and I'm super hyped on the way that this looks. It's crazy. So I can't wait till the TT actually gets its own set of wheels, and it just got me super excited. And I was looking at some coilover setup options for this car, and they said that the earliest they're even going to ship out, and if you get them custom even later, is going to be the 8th of next month. So if anyone in the comments has a set of Mark V coilovers, please DM me on Instagram, or just throw it down in the comments. I'll probably see it in the comments much easier than I will on Instagram, because I do need a set of coilovers for this car, kind of like ASAP. And Mark V, because I want to do the Mark V top hat conversion, and these coilovers are basically blown out, and I just need something to get me by for now. So honestly, like whatever you got, I guess, even if it is like a Mark IV, like just like stock coilover, or a stock Mark IV suspension, I mean, it's whatever. I just need something that's not gonna be this. This isn't like road worthy in my opinion. This wants to move all around. This is super tight. That's not a bearing, so everything just moves super jank. But I'm gonna run upstairs, have that dinner, and I'll get back to this car right after. Man, this thing is looking awesome. I'm gonna run up these steps. Made it to the top. Smells good in here. All right, a little more food than I probably should have. Not gonna lie. Got some pasta, some homemade meatballs with a little bit of pork in there, and with a side of flatbread with black truffles on it. Nothing too special, Costco special. Don't be thinking I was breaking the bank tonight. But the TT is all polished up. I'm really hyped on these wheels. They honestly look really good, and I cannot wait to put them back on the TDI. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all that stuff to clean up a little bit later, but we're gonna head on over to the TDI, and I gotta get this thing out for a drive. I mean, seriously, this car is just looking so freaking good. Look at that freaking thing. A lot of frickins, but man, this thing was awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead, start this thing up. Look at how black this thing is on the whole side of the car. But I'm gonna have to lift this garage door since this garage door got struck by lightning. I know as crazy as it sounds, lightning bolt came through the house, destroyed that. I hate to hear it, but we're gonna lift this up, we're gonna head out, and we're gonna go for a little drive. Oh, fingers crossed. Key in. Oh, gotta go get the jump box. Guess while that battery's all charging up, I may as well just hop on the bike real quick. My knee has been bothering me lately, but we're gonna ride it anyways. Just hopped off the bike, had to stop honestly. My knee was bothering me a little bit, and when I did the bar, smashed my thumb. Usually before I actually ride my bike, I like to do stretches and stuff like that, but I was like, I'll just hop on the bike real quick. But now I'm in pain. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot, throw it up to 12 volts. I am not playing around here today. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you comment down below I stayed, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe. But I'm gonna go fill a tire up and let's head out. Do polls, have some fun, and enjoy the rest of this Mother's Day. We got more content coming this week. We got more parts coming in the mail. I'm real excited, and yeah, we've been limited on content honestly because of the fact that we have parts coming in, and we're gonna get back to it. So I'm really excited for the TT. I'm really excited for the Mark 5, and we'll see what else we're gonna be working on. Right into lit mode. It went right into lit mode. I'm gonna have to turn it off. The way I go into lit mode or turn off lit mode is I just put on the clutch, turn the key, let it sit for a minute so the flywheel's not spinning like crazy. Go ahead and spin the key again. The car starts right back up. I'll tell you what, there's nothing better than just driving your favorite car around. I mean, I just love that I get to share this content with you guys, and I wish every single one of you guys could go for a ride in this thing. I honestly do. Going through the trees, seeing the, the weather change, the trees get leaves and stuff, and it's just so awesome, man. And I can't wait to just get the TT out, get the suspension in. Like I said, if anyone has suspension for the TT, Mark 4, Mark 5, I'd really prefer Mark 5. Please let me know. I would love to buy that off you. And I just would love to get that thing rolling on the road finally. I have no shift knob on right now because it's out in turn. I don't want to get destroyed, but look at that valley view, man. Farms. I need to get a GoPro so I can actually hold the camera with like a head mount or something, so I can shift. I just do third gear rips for you guys, but you don't seem to mind. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my ride. Maybe we'll get some more clips on the way home, but I do have the ECS 5% discount code, so hit the link in the description and definitely check that out if you guys want some cool parts. And just like that, guys, we are back home, hopping out of the Tilted TDI. I love that I get to drive this thing every single day, and man, it just puts the biggest smile on my face. The TT is over here looking absolutely amazing. It has the RSs on that I do want to get off of this car, put them on the Tilted TDI, and I do want to go ahead and get the Tilted TDI aligned this week. I kind of figured out my control arm issues, and now that I got my solid control arms in the rear, well, solid toe arms, the arms won't move and they'll hold alignment much better, so that's awesome. So I think that I'm gonna head on over to the alignment rack in a local town to me, and it's a town where the cops don't like us. It's like stands, car, people, hood exits, all that stuff, so it'll probably give me the biggest issue. So I think I'm gonna head over there with the stocks on before I head over there with these BBS RSs on, because they're not gonna be too friendly if they see some wide pokey wheels, but with those stocks it doesn't really poke out as much. So I'm really excited to go ahead and do that, and we got stuff coming in for this TT. We got the teardrop parts coming in, so guys, just stay hyped for this content. And I have realized that this channel, this content needs me to not be filming at home all the time, get out, go see friends, and take the precautionary steps. But man, I just need to get out of the house and start getting you guys content where I'm really being me. If you guys aren't feeling motivated, just go out there and work on your cars, and man, just if you're not smiling, just know that it's gonna get better, and just go work on your car or go for a drive, do something to make you guys hyped. And I just love bringing you guys this content. This car is looking so awesome, and we got so much stuff coming for these cars, guys. So make sure you guys are smiling. Definitely comment down below what kind of cars you guys are working on, because I love reading those comments and I love connecting with you guys. I truly do. And the comments make my day every single time I see that. Like, someone's like, oh, I did this to my car, oh, you inspired me to do this. That is absolutely crazy to me. It's mind-boggling, and you guys know me at the end. I always ramble, so quote unquote, whatever you want to say, but man, this is just me just talking to you guys, and it's so awesome that you guys listen and you guys comment back. So I hope you guys are excited for more content to come. I hinted at what kind of car we are gonna be starting to do work on my Instagram, so make sure you're following my Instagram at tilted_TDI and go check that out. I gave some hints, and it's a recent post, so don't miss out on that, guys. We'll be doing that 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed, hit your post notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you guys will know when my videos come out. And follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI. And when you're done with all those steps, comment down below done. And if you guys already did all the steps, I know a lot of you guys did. You guys are just awesome, so just keep it up. And we got more crazy content coming for you guys. We got 3 channel cars. What? We got 2 channel cars? That's a hint. Go check out my Instagram, because I have some hints, and I know you guys will be excited. So if you're not already following the Instagram, make sure you guys are following the Instagram, and just keep smiling. Don't even put you down, man. It just means so much to me that you guys are here. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's do this. Adios. I hope you guys had a good one. Go drive your cars, go have fun, go wrench. Also, guys, we have that 5% discount code for ECS, so don't miss out on that. If you guys want some parts for your car, I would love to help you guys out with the discount. So yeah, peace. Have a good one.